Here for my field trip, I am at Logan Lake. In the lake, there's algae, probably blue-green algae, and that is a protist. They have this sign that shows a bunch of different wildflowers that you can find in the area with all their names. This is Great Mullen, binomial name Verbascum thapsus. We have some lichen on this for fungus. This is wolf lichen, binomial name Litharia vulpina. This sign shows some birds in Logan Lake. I've seen about half of these myself before. There are American coots and lesser scops out here. There is an American coot right there, binomial name Fulica americana, as well as the lesser scops, binomial name Aethia affinis. Along the lake, there is quaking aspen. The binomial name is Populus tremuloides. There's a bird. And this path along here, a lot of different plants. Around the other side of the lake, even more American coots. The northern flicker, I think it was. Way on the other side, there is, I think it's a bald eagle. Can't quite tell from here. The cattails are in the genus Typha. Now that we're closer, the one bird looks a lot bigger. It might actually be a golden eagle, but we'll find out when we get right to that tree. Great mullen, quaking aspen along this entire side of the lake. And this is ponderosa pine, binomial name Pinus ponderosa. Now you can see the whitehead, it is a bald eagle. Humongous pine cone. We're getting closer to the bald eagle. Quaking aspen, Douglas fir, and ponderosa pines. This tree up here has a nest of sorts, it looks like. Not sure what bird. I heard a magpie. I look behind me. There it is, black-billed magpie. Binomial name Pica hudsonia. I'm pretty sure I heard a woodpecker. I don't know where it could be though. I know that there's northern flickers. I've always seen northern flickers. And I have not seen a pileated woodpecker here yet, but I know that they're around. It might have been a pileated woodpecker. Lots of moss, spruce cones, lichen on these branches. There's a mule deer. Can't quite see it from here, but I know the binomial name for a mule deer is Odocoilus hemionus. Oh, there's a bunch up here. I was wondering when I'd see mule deer. I found this tree, which I believe is a western larch. The binomial name is Larix occidentalis, which actually has the same species name as the spotted owl, which is Strix occidentalis. Western larch. There's also more lichen on these trees as well. Finally on the side where the bald eagle is, I can't quite spot it. Maybe it flew away while we were walking around, not sure yet. I can hear the bald eagle. I couldn't quite find it yet. This is even different kind of moss than what I saw earlier. I saw the bald eagle. We found the tree that it was at, but then it looked empty, and then it flew out of it. And I'm trying to find it now. I can hear it. I went back over to try to find it. Still looking, trying to find where it flew to. Where is it? I can hear a woodpecker drumming. I can't see where it is. A downy woodpecker. I have seen always 1 or 2 bald eagles around the lake when I've come down here before, but I had never known that their nest was actually at this lake. I thought they were just coming from nearby. Way up there. Came back around, we were looking for the bald eagle to this part, and the deer are still there. I didn't get to see the bald eagle super close up, except for when I saw it fly by, but I had no idea that their nest was actually at this lake. So that's a really cool discovery, and I might have to visit it more often. I had never seen so many other nests before too. There it is. Right after I was done talking about how I didn't get to see it up close, we found it really close up. That was truly the best look and the closest I've ever seen a bald eagle in the wild. That's really cool. And there's a feather. Going on an adventure. Not too, oh, it's a little wet there. And you can see the nest really easily from out here. There's a mallard right here. The binomial name for mallard is Anas platyrincos. American coots on this side of the lake now, and you can see the bald eagle from all the way over here that we saw, and this was the tree that it was on. So that was the closest I've seen a bald eagle. I had no idea they even had a nest at this lake, so that was really cool to see. And that was also the first time I've ever seen any scops. Anytime I've seen the wolf lichen on trees before I identified it, I always just called it moss. So now I know it's lichen.